Good morning. This is Samantha Rosado-Ciriello, President of the Yonkers Federation of Teachers. I hope this message finds you and your family healthy and safe. Today, I will ask you to do something to help our students and your colleagues. We are living in some very difficult times, unlike any other. Every one of us has been impacted by COVID-19, yet through it all, our teachers have persevered. We have a lot to be proud of. Within days, our teachers reached out to offer support emotionally and professionally. Through phone calls, social media, and drive-bys, we have helped each other through it all. Unfortunately, the pandemic has wreaked havoc on our economy, and it couldn't be more evident than in our state and city budgets. At a time when we need stability, our colleagues are facing the possibility of layoffs, and our students could lose services. If we are to welcome staff and students back in the fall, we need all hands on deck. Last Friday, the Yonkers City Council and the school board trustees approved a budget that is $20 million short and eliminates up to 168 positions. While we appreciate the additional $2 million in funding to the schools and the bonding for textbooks allocated by City Council, the fact that the entire burden is laid at the feet of the schools is an insult and, quite frankly, dangerous. Health and safety must be at the center of all decision-making. This budget limits social-emotional supports to our students, does not allow for staffing to be at an appropriate level to maintain social distancing, cuts almost 1/3 of music programs, and rips essential teaching assistants away from our special needs population. We all know that Yonkers is woefully underfunded by New York State in education and municipal funding. But City Hall took great pains to ensure no cuts were made to municipal services, while the entire burden still rests at the feet of education. We cannot ignore this, because our teachers and students matter. That is why I'm asking you to take action each day for the next 2 weeks to urge all levels of government do their part, federal, state, and local. Yesterday, you were asked to use your Nice at Mac platform to call our unit senators and urge them to bring the CARES 2 Act to a vote to obtain billions for New York and education to assist with the COVID-related loss of revenues. For today, we are asking you to submit a short, heartfelt statement describing the devastating impact of the cuts on you and your students. Video selfies are encouraged. Make sure you state your name and subject area. Let's put a human face to these cuts and raise public awareness, as well as that of the city, state, and federal lawmakers. Email your videos to yft@yft860.org with budget in the subject line. Having worked in Yonkers for 25 years, I can tell you there is nothing worse than seeing our colleagues' jobs in jeopardy while watching students suffer due to lack of services. Can we count on you to act? If we all pull together, we can save jobs and help our students. Thank you for your commitment, and be safe.